Today we will be testing to see if there is a difference in moods of those who have received no light therapy, 1 hour of light therapy every day, and 1 hour of light therapy every other day. So our null hypothesis is that there is no difference between these three groups. To do that, to test that, we're going to run an ANCOVA test with our covariant being the age of the participants. So to do that, I'm going to go up to Analyze. I'm going to go down to General Linear Model and over to Univariate. And from there, what I'm testing to see if changed is the mood, so that's my dependent variable, with my fixed factor being the group. We have three groups. Group 1 had no light therapy, 2 has 1 hour every other day, and 3 has 1 hour every day. And age is going to be my covariant. From there, I'm going to click on my EM means, and I'm going to pull over my group. This is what I want to display means for, and I want to compare main effects here, and I'm going to change this to the Bonfarion. And I also want to go to options here, and I want to look at my test homogeneity, and I also want to estimate my effect size so that I can see what kind of effect this had on if this was a small, a medium, or a large effect. And I'm going to click OK to see what we have here. So first I can see I have 80 participants in each of these. I can look at my Levine's test here. My significance is 0.244. That is greater than 0.05, which means we can assume homogeneity of variance here. Now I'm going to look at my test between subjects effects. I can look at my groups and see the significance is 0.008. That is less than 0.05, which means this is significant. That tells me I can reject my null hypothesis. There is a difference here. I have an F value of 4.961. And I see here my partial eta squared is 0.040. So that is going to be my significance. Or sorry, not my significance. My effect size. It's going to be my effect size. And I can look down here and see what my new means are with the estimate from my covariance. So it looks like no light therapy has the smallest mean, while everyday light therapy has a greater mean, or the greatest mean, but even days in the middle. So let's check and see where those differences lie though. I have no light therapy versus light therapy on even days or every other day. My significance there is 0.063. So there is not a significant difference between those. No light therapy compared to light therapy every day has a significance of 0.009. That is less than 0.05, which tells me there is a significant difference. So there is a significant difference between no light therapy and light therapy every day. And then I compare my light therapy on even days or every other day with my light therapy every day, and my significance is 1, which is greater than 0.05, so there is no significance there. So the only place where I see significant difference is no light therapy and light therapy every day. This tells me we can reject our null hypothesis, which means there is a difference between at least one of the groups, which we determined to be no light therapy and light therapy every day, on mood.